You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly from biology. If you want to learn more names from science, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. At the end of this one, you'll want to listen to and learn from. Protoctista is how it's pronounced, or protoctist. Protoctista. Protoctista, stress on that tis syllable. A protest. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.